What is up, guys? into today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can find Bitcoin wallet address. Now this is very quick and easy, and by the way you can do the same steps on inside the app on your phone. So if you are using the web version or the app, it's the same process. Okay, you just want to follow the exact same steps. So the first thing, to get to Bitcoin wallet address, you want to click on wallet in the top right, click on fiat and spot. Now you will see different coins here. So if you want to get the wallet address, for example the Bitcoin wallet address, as you can see, you want to find here Bitcoin, you want to scroll down a little bit and you will find like different coins here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, USDT. Yeah, that's it. You can do the same stuff for each coin here, but for now I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Bitcoin address. You want to click on deposit next to Bitcoin. In the action section you want to click on deposit, and here you want to select the network. So you want to go with BNB Smart Chain or Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm going to select Bitcoin, and yeah, you just select BNB. So yeah, you want to just select BNB Smart Chain. Okay, and yeah, and then you want to click on copy. This is your wallet address. Now you want to send this wallet address to your friend and you will be able to send you Bitcoin, but make sure you tell them that the network is BNB Smart Chain. Okay, if you have selected any network here, make sure you tell them the network, otherwise your Bitcoin will be lost because you are not sending the Bitcoin to the correct network. So if you are trying to receive Bitcoin from someone, you have to tell them, hi, this is my wallet address and this is the network. So the network that you have selected is BNB Smart Chain, and then you want to click copy, and then you want to send people the wallet address for your Bitcoin, and then they will be able to send you Bitcoin to your Binance.